Given vector p equal 2i minus 5j and vector q equal mi minus 3j. Find the value of m if a 3p minus q is parallel to y-axis, b p is parallel with q, c the magnitude of p plus q is 10, and hence find the unit vector in the direction of p plus q if the value of m is positive. Right, for question A, 3p minus q is parallel to y-axis. First, we are going to add vector 3p and vector negative q first. Vector p is 2i minus 5j. And vector q is mi minus 3j. Question A says that this vector is parallel to y-axis. If this vector is parallel to y-axis, then this vector only moves upwards or downwards. There is no movement to the left or to the right, which means that movement to the left or right is 0. Unit vector I represents movement to the right. So in this case, 6 minus m must equal 0. And we get m equals 6. Question B. Vector p is parallel to vector q. If vector p is parallel to vector q, then vector p equal k vector q, where k is a constant. Please refer to the previous section if you don't remember this point. We have 2i minus 5j equal kmi minus 3kj. Comparing the left hand side and the right hand side, we have 2 equal km and 5 equal 3k and k equal 5 over 3. We substitute this 5 over 3 into k here. And we get m equal 6 over 5. Question C. We want to find the value of m if the magnitude of vector p plus q equal 10. First, we find vector p plus q. And we get 2 plus m I minus 8j. We are given magnitude of this resultant vector is 10. The magnitude of this resultant vector can be calculated using square root 2 plus m squared plus negative 8 squared. And this is equal to 10, given by the question. We square both sides, and the right hand side become 100. We expand this one, and it is 4 plus 4m plus m squared. Negative 8 squared is 64. And we move 100 over to the left hand side, and it becomes negative 100. So we have m squared plus 4m minus 32. Factorize it. we get m equal -8 or 4. Next, continue with question C. Find the unit vector in the direction of p plus q if the value of m is positive. If the value of m is positive, then we substitute this 4 into here. And vector p plus q is 6i minus 8j. To get the unit vector in the direction of vector p plus q, we are going to divide I and j with the magnitude of vector p plus q, which is 10, given by question C. So we get 0.6i minus 0.8j.